G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Tropical cyclone Esther has crossed the Gulf Coast as a Category 1 storm and will soon weaken into a rain depression as it continues moving west across the Northern Territory. Its effect over southern Queensland is generally weak, but the monsoon remains strong and the atmosphere very unstable, leading to showers and storms for several more days. Today's temperatures were heavily modulated by cloud across the Capricornia, mostly high 20s under thicker cover, but low 30s otherwise. Humidity is obviously very high. Let's look at the satellite loop. Well, the cyclone made landfall about lunchtime today, crossing the Gulf Coast, somewhere near the Northern Territory Queensland border. Two main bands, or convergent bands as we call them, of heavier rain have occurred as a result of the monsoon winds ramming into the southeasterly trades, and they were the far north coast and also the central coast, where some really heavy falls occurred. Lesser falls through the rest of Queensland, but still significant. On today's chart, we've got the cyclone there, which is soon to be a low now that it's crossed the coast. And like I say, if you look at the clockwise ring of winds around the cyclone, they crash into the southeasterly trade winds and there's no room for them to go, so the uprising motion causes all this heavy rain. On tomorrow's chart, as the X-cyclone begins to move west, the focus of convergence moves away from the tropics. There'll still be heavy storms, but not like what we've seen in the southeast, still a bit cooler with the southeasterly trades. And then on the outlook chart, the low disappears off to the west and the wind goes very light across Queensland. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, boating forecast for Capricornia waters, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow, dropping to 10 to 15 on Wednesday and even lighter on Thursday. They've got the new moon spring tides at the moment and they're pretty big, especially the late morning high tide with a strong run out to the afternoon low. Capricornia district forecast, a 50-50 chance of showers tomorrow, possible thunderstorms again, 31 for Gladstone, 33 for Rocky, below 34. In Yeppoon 30. Central Highlands and Coalfields, we've got flood warnings for the Dawson, Connors and Isaac rivers. More storms ahead with Emerald reaching 33 degrees, same for Moranbah, Claremont 32. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, showers tapering off for a couple of days, but increasing again on Thursday as a new upper level trough swings by. Temps remaining above average, not by much, but humidity is the one to watch. Thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back with more tomorrow. Hope you can join me. Meantime, enjoy whatever comes out of the sky because at least it's not boring. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for your company. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, if you missed anything, you can see our replay over on 7 2. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.